Good business decisions require more than functional expertise. They require an understanding of how those decisions translate into financial outcomes. For today's managers, developing that financial perspective is an important part of becoming a more effective business leader. With us, we have Professor Padmini from the Finance and Accounting area of Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore, and she's also one of the program directors of Finance for Non-Finance Managers. Thank you, Professor, for joining us.
Thank you very much for inviting me.
Why should non-finance managers understand finance?
Very good question. Finance is the language of business. Every managerial decision, in some ways, has a financial consequence. For a non-finance manager, financial acumen is not about becoming financial specialist. It's about understanding the financial implications of all the decisions that they make during the course of business. So finance becomes important because it has a consequence.
Where does financial understanding impact managerial decisions?
It comes into play far beyond the finance function. Whether you are managing costs, allocating resources, evaluating an investment proposal, or assessing a new opportunity, financial understanding helps you to look at the decision more holistically. It also allows you to connect operational choices with a broader business impact, and therefore it also helps you understand creating value for all your stakeholders.
How does this program build financial acumen?
Well, the financial acumen program, to call it as such, takes a business-oriented approach to finance. It helps participants understand the financial concepts and, more importantly, apply them to real managerial decisions. The aim is to build confidence, to engage with the financial information and use it effectively for decision making. And one thing that I've observed in the large organization, because you have a very strong financial team, non-finance managers leave this decision making to the finance team. Thereby, their own understanding is not enhanced because ultimately they have to take the decision. And therefore, it's very important they speak the language of their finance team by understanding the basics of finance.
What sets this program apart?
That's again a very unique question, because what I think is particularly valuable in finance, because this course is not taught in isolation. It is connecting to the broader context of management and business decision. The program brings together the financial aspects, the managerial aspects, and practical application that will help participants see the larger business picture and how they are creating value. I would also like to add, it's not just about finance. There are also allied topics that we cover, which includes, for example, contract management. It also includes things that are incidental to finance, for example, direct and indirect taxation, and so on. And overall, build a complete understanding of the value proposition of how finance relates to the business.
Who is this program best suited for?
Well, this program is designed for managers, professionals, and others from non-finance background who increasingly find themselves making decisions with financial implication. It is also useful for entrepreneurs who day in and day out deal with finance, and I think it brings a lot of value to them as well. It is particularly relevant for those who are looking to broaden their managerial perspective and take a greater business responsibility. You don't need a finance background. The intent is to build financial confidence and complement your existing expertise.
What should participants be able to apply at work?
The real value is in taking the learning back to the workplace. And this is where the pedagogy becomes important, because we just don't give theory. We also deal with practical examples, give them case studies, make them do projects and so on, which will enable them to take back their learnings to their workplace. Participants would be better equipped, once they complete the course, to interpret financial information, evaluate a business decision, and converse confidently with the finance team. Ultimately, the objective is to bring a strong financial lens to the managerial decision making situations. The program Finance for Non-Finance Managers gives participants not just a stronger understanding of finance, but a sharper perspective on business decisions that they make every day. We look forward to welcoming you all to IIM Bangalore and to a great learning experience that brings finance closer to the realities of management and business. I hope to see many of you in the course. The application window is open right now, and please go ahead and apply for the program. Hope to see many of you in this program to enhance your learning experience. Thank you.